Happy Valentine's Day from Drinks Made Easy. Today we're taking a look at a margarita variation that brings two of the classics together that always work well. Tequila Ocho, the original single estate single vintage tequila, and Cointreau, the original triple sec. Whenever these two hotties come together, a great cocktail is in the making. So without any further ado, let's make the Pink Señorita Margarita. To build the Pink Señorita Margarita, we're going to start with 2 ounces of Tequila Ocho Plata, 1 ounce of Cointreau, 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice, and 2 ounces of pink lemonade. Cap that off into a shaker tin full of ice and give it a good shake.
How you doing?
Oh, brother!
I'm gonna pour that into the margarita glass of your choice that has already been salt rimmed. And garnish with a wheel of lemon. And easy as that, you have the Pink Señorita Margarita. This is an absolutely crushable margarita. Having that lemon juice along with that pink lemonade is really gonna bring up some sweet notes, and when you're using phenomenal products like Ocho and Cointreau together, you're always gonna have a fantastic cocktail. Check this out, let me know what you think. If you want it sweeter, add a little bit more pink lemonade, or you can always dial that back. Cheers from Drinks Made Easy. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or there's videos you want to see, whether they are with booze or without, please be sure to leave a comment. If you enjoyed it, be sure to smash the like button and share it with your friends. And if you hated it, well, tell your enemies about us. Cheers from Drinks Made Easy.